Close your eyes for a moment. Now imagine the coldest place on Earth. The wind screams across endless white ice. The temperature drops far below zero, and the ocean stretches into darkness beneath the frozen horizon. Most humans would not survive here for more than a few hours, but you were born for this place, because this is your life as a penguin in Antarctica. Your life begins in the middle of winter. The wind howls across Antarctica at nearly 100 miles per hour. Snow flies through the air like tiny knives. Temperatures plunge to -40 degrees. Yet, in the middle of this frozen wasteland stands a massive crowd. Thousands, even tens of thousands of emperor penguins. They stand shoulder to shoulder, packed tightly together. Not because they want to, but because they have to. Inside a small egg, balanced carefully on top of your father's feet, you wait. Your mother laid that egg weeks ago. Then she began a long journey to the ocean to find food. Now your father guards you. For 2 entire months, he will not eat. He will not hunt. He will barely move. His entire mission is simple: keep you alive. If the egg touches the ice for even a few seconds, you will freeze. But your father holds steady. And finally, one tiny crack appears. You are ready to enter the world. You push through the eggshell slowly. Your first breath fills your lungs with icy Antarctic air. The world around you is white, loud, and freezing. The wind roars like a jet engine. But you're not alone. Thousands of tiny chicks just like you are being born across the colony. Your father looks down and makes a deep call. Every penguin has a unique voice. Even among thousands of birds, your parents will always recognize your sound. Right now, you are small, weak, and covered in soft gray feathers. You cannot survive the cold on your own. So your father lowers you onto his warm feet and covers you with a fold of skin called the brood pouch. This tiny shelter is your entire world. Outside, deathly cold. Inside, warmth and life. You waddle forward on your tiny feet, still unsteady, as your father shields you from the icy wind. The snow stings your downy feathers, but inside the brood pouch, warmth keeps you alive. Your siblings, barely bigger than you, squeak and chirp in the cold. Every day is a test of survival. Hunger, storms, and predators are always near. Outside the colony, the ocean waits. It is both life and danger, filled with fish that will feed you one day and seals that could eat you in an instant. Your first lessons are simple but vital. Learning to balance on the ice, learning to huddle for warmth, learning to listen to your father's calls. Time moves slowly. Days are long, and the Antarctic sun barely rises above the horizon. Yet in this harsh world, you grow stronger. You learn the rhythm of the colony, the sound of each parent, the feel of the ice beneath your feet. The wind never stops. It whistles and screams, carving the landscape into frozen shapes. Yet somehow life persists. Every chick, every parent, every penguin fights to survive, to grow, to thrive. You begin to explore just beyond your father's feet, testing your strength, your courage. The cold bites, but curiosity drives you forward. Each stumble teaches you balance. Each fall teaches you resilience. Even in the endless white, even in the freezing winds, there is comfort in the colony. Together, you are stronger. Together, you survive. The world outside is harsh, but inside there is life, warmth, and hope. And slowly, day by day, you become ready for the ocean, ready for the challenges beyond, ready to leave the safety of your father's brood pouch and step into the world as a penguin of Antarctica. Weeks pass, and the colony begins to change. The endless winter slowly loosens its grip on Antarctica. The sun climbs a little higher each day. The wind still bites, but the light lasts longer now. Your feathers grow thicker, your legs grow stronger. You are no longer the tiny chick that hid beneath your father's brood pouch. Now you stand beside thousands of other young penguins, all growing, all waiting. And then one day, everything changes. A familiar call echoes across the colony. Your mother has returned. After months in the ocean, she is back, carrying food in her belly just for you. She searches through thousands of birds, calling again and again. Your father answers. Their voices find each other in the chaos of the colony. Carefully, they pass you from his feet to hers. For the first time in your life, you taste real food from the ocean, warm, rich, and full of energy. Your father's job is finished. For months, he protected you through the brutal Antarctic winter without eating a single meal. Now he turns and begins his own long journey to the sea. The cycle of life continues. Soon, you and the other chicks gather together in large groups called creches. Thousands of young penguins standing side by side. Your parents leave to hunt in the ocean, returning only occasionally with food. The rest of the time, you rely on each other. The wind still howls across the ice, but now you are stronger. And soon a new adventure is coming, because far beyond the frozen plains, the vast Antarctic Ocean is waiting for you. You stand at the edge of the ice. Below you, the ocean stretches into dark, endless depths. Your heart races. You have never been in water before. Other young penguins gather beside you. Everyone waits. No one wants to be first. The first one risks becoming a seal's meal. Seconds feel like minutes. Then suddenly, one penguin jumps, another follows. Instinct takes over. You leap. The freezing water wraps around your body. For a moment, panic. Then something incredible happens. You glide. Your wings become powerful flippers. You cut through the icy water faster than you ever moved on land. You chase tiny fish. Your first hunt begins. Every dive, every escape, every hunt makes you stronger. You become a powerful swimmer, diving over 1,500 feet and holding your breath for more than 20 minutes. Leopard seals patrol beneath the ice. Orcas appear in the distance. Danger is constant. Years pass. You survive brutal storms, escape predators, and master the art of hunting. And one day, instinct calls you back to the colony where your life began. Thousands of penguins gather on the frozen ice. Among them, you find a mate. Together, you begin the same journey your parents once took. Your partner lays a single egg. Carefully, you balance it on your feet. Winter winds howl, the cold returns. But now you understand. This frozen land isn't just harsh, it's home. And inside that tiny egg, a new life waits. A life that will one day hear the wind, see the endless white horizon, and begin its own story. The story of surviving the coldest place on Earth. The story of you as a penguin.